In this video, I'm going to share how I've been able to make over $100 per day with Amazon Associates affiliate marketing. I've actually been able to make over $3,000 in a single month back in December of 2016, so quite a few years ago. So I'm going to share some few helpful tips that can help you guys out with Amazon affiliate marketing today, so stay tuned.
ODI Productions.
Hey, what's up? ODI Productions here, back with another affiliate marketing video. If you're brand new to the channel, my name's Odie and I'm obsessed with passive income through the business model known as affiliate marketing. I love entrepreneurship and I also love cars. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure to check out my other videos and subscribe for more content because I'm making new videos every single week. Now, the topic of today's video, this is a fun one. We're talking about Amazon Associates and how I've been able to make over $100 per day. That's over $3,000 a month. And you know, that's a full-time income for a lot of people. And this is through passive income through affiliate marketing. Now, if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, it's basically just referrals and selling other companies' products and services. So the affiliate program we're talking about today is called Amazon Associates. So if we hop into my computer right here, you can actually see I'm logged into Amazon Associates and we're looking at basically MacBook Pros. Now, you can look up any product on Amazon, okay? And it's gonna show up and you can get links to these products and make a commission if someone clicks your link and buys it within 24 hours. Now, here's the thing. You actually earn commission on everything someone buys within 24 hours. And Amazon is so good in selling customers that you don't really have to do much selling. You just have to get people on the website, which works in your favor. And so basically, Amazon Associates right here, these are the rates for the different product categories. Now, if you were to sell a MacBook Pro, this is a PC, okay? And you get 2.5% of the product's cost. So if this is $2,500, right? This nice, shiny Apple MacBook Pro 15-inch, you would actually earn 2.5% of that, which is roughly equal $62.50. All right, so every time you sell one of these, you make $62.50, which is pretty good, right? So you would not have to sell that many per day to get $100 per day. You'd have to sell, about 1.5, right? Now, I understand it's not the easiest thing to sell a $2,500 laptop, but hopefully with the tips that I give you guys today, it will help you guys on your journey to making more money with Amazon Associates. Now, just to bring you guys back, I want to show you guys my journey over 2 years when I started with Amazon Associates. And you guys can actually see right here, I was able to surpass the $3,000 per month mark in December of 2016. And I have the earnings right here to back it up. This is the direct deposit. If you log into Amazon and you look at your payment schedule, you actually see these payments and how much you get paid and is sent into your bank account. You guys can see $3,000 in a single month back in December of 2016, quite a bit ago, right? Now, one thing I want to show you guys is I did not start out making $100 a day. In fact, I started out making just $32 in a single month. This is the first time I ever earned from Amazon Associates. It was the first affiliate program I ever joined. And back in November of 2014, you can see $32.06. And this just shows you guys basically the journey and how long it took to go from, making peanuts, making 30 bucks a month to making over $3,000 in a single month. It took over 2 years. Now, really the secret to getting explosive results, and I'm going to show you guys basically a key time frame here. So if you look at the first year of doing this, I never made over $400 in a single month. Now, if you're looking at the second year, right, you see a huge difference. You see that this curve, the growth curve, just shoots straight up, okay? And you're seeing this right here. We go from 1,000 to 3,000 in basically less than a year, right? So what's the difference? What did I do that basically took my results from being, let's say pretty much subpar and not enough to live off of to a full-time income? Now, the secret is a system, okay? You need a system that gets traffic and sales. And basically, traffic is the people who visit your link, they click your link and they visit Amazon. And then sales are people who actually end up buying or becoming a paid customer. Now, again, it works in your favor that you're using Amazon because people spend millions of dollars on Amazon every single day. So you don't really have to worry about that customer experience because Amazon handles it and they give the best customer experience possible. Now, your job is to get them onto the platform and also get them interested in products that tend to be higher ticket. Because the truth is, $62 is pretty nice commission, right? If you're to sell one of these Apple MacBooks. Now, if the product that you sell is actually only $25, and let's say you're only making at the most 10%, you would only make like $2. And the problem is, to make $100 a day, you'd have to sell 50 of those items every single day rather than just selling 2 or 1.5 actually Apple MacBooks to make $100 per day. So basically, when it comes to choosing a product in a niche, you want to go more towards high ticket. And actually, one of the reasons why I transitioned from using Amazon Associates to promoting other companies and products and services is because there are industries and there are niches that are way more profitable and lucrative than when I started out. Because the truth is, Amazon is a pretty low ticket affiliate program in the sense that, you're only making between 1 to 10%. If you guys look at the rates right here, at most you're making 10% of a product's cost. Now, if that's true, then you would have to sell literally $30,000 worth of products. You'd have to make $30,000 in revenue for Amazon to take home $3,000 as your commission. And that's with the 10% rate, which not everyone's gonna get because look at this. It's basically just luxury beauty or Amazon coins. And I'm immediately out when it comes to luxury beauty because I don't wear makeup. So it all comes down to numbers here, right? And basically, if you want to make $100 a day, you would have to sell about $1,000 worth of products every single day at a 10% commission. Now, if you were to drop it down to 5%, you'd have to sell essentially $2,000 worth of products every single day to reach that. Now, how can we get there? One, you either sell higher ticket products that, you can basically sell just one, okay, and then make over $60. Or you can sell more products. And this is called bundling, okay? When you buy a camera, for example, you don't just buy the camera, you buy batteries, you buy an SD card, you buy a tripod, you buy a microphone, you can buy so many accessories. Now, this is an easy way to maximize your profits. And instead of just making $10 or $20 or $30 every time you sell a camera, now you're making $40 or $50 if you sell a whole set or a whole bundle. That's an easy way to maximize your profit. Now, another way to make more money with Amazon Associates, other than getting sales, right, which is obvious, is getting more traffic, okay? Let's say you have a 3% conversion rate on people who click your links and buy something from Amazon, then simply if you want to make more sales or make more money, you just need to get more people clicking your links, right? Now, to do this, you need to create content that attracts consumers who are in the research phase. They are looking up this product. So let's say a MacBook Pro. What you would do is you create content that revolves around people searching up this product in order to buy. Right? Now, when people want to buy something, what do? They look up a review video, okay? So one example is making a review video that entices someone to buy who is, let's say, the right customer who, this product is perfect for them. We don't want to be selling stuff to people just for the sake of making money because that's the number one way to basically lose in this business is if you're not thinking long-term and you're not actually thinking about your customers. But if this is the right product for a specific person, right, specific customer, then we can more than gladly promote it and sell it to them. And it's a lot easier to sell products that you believe in and that you use yourself. I mean, I have an Apple MacBook Pro right here on my desk. I've been using the same one for over 7+ years and I love it and I would not hesitate to recommend it to anyone who's interested in an Apple MacBook Pro, right? So taking you guys back to basically how do you make more money with Amazon affiliate marketing, you just need to get either more traffic or more sales. And traffic comes from creating content that attracts consumers, right? And ranking on Google or YouTube as a form of SEO or search engine optimization. If you guys can rank for certain terms, like let's say MacBook Pro or MacBook Pro review, then you're gonna be getting organic customers, free traffic. They're already interested in what you have to offer and they are that close to buying. You just have to, kind of get them over the edge. So basically my system was figuring out how do I get more traffic and how do I get more consistent traffic and more quality traffic? Because it doesn't matter if you get 10,000 clicks if nobody buys, right? I'd rather get 100 clicks and get 10 sales than get 10,000 clicks and get one sale. Okay. And some people do have that low of a conversion rate because their content is not focused on the consumer. It's not focused on consumer research. During that phase where they're looking to actually buy, they're focusing on making content that just entertains people or is just for fun. Okay. It's not really to get people in that buying mindset. When I found my system of getting consistent, steady traffic from SEO and paid traffic combined. So this is Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads. When I combine those two things where I'm guaranteeing traffic through paid traffic, I'm literally paying for people to visit my website, visit my content, and I'm also getting that organic free traffic from people who are searching up my products. Boom. That's how I was able to get this system going, and you see this huge, spectacular growth. And you really need a system because if you're not getting consistent traffic and sales every single day, then you don't really have control over your business. You don't really have a sound business plan, right? You're just getting lucky. So what you need to do is you need to systemize and really create something that can get you consistent, reliable traffic every single day. Because if you have a conversion rate of let's say 3%, there's two ways to get more sales. You either get more traffic or you raise that 3% to a 5%. Or that 5% to a 6%. Now you're getting more sales for the same number of customers that you're getting every single day. You don't actually have to get more customers. You just have to convert more of the customers you already have walking in the door. So that's basically it. I just want to simplify it in this short, simple YouTube video. But if you guys want to learn more about my system, I actually have a 5-step system that I use. You can check out my brand new free training. I created it just for you guys and I just made it and it just went live. So you guys can check that out in the description below. Sign up for that. Check it out. Now, the last tip I want to give you guys is don't be general. Okay. I see some people try and do Amazon affiliate marketing and they basically create a general store without any content, without any research, without any, sort of sales to help someone to make a purchase decision, right? They just literally make something that looks like a Shopify store, but for affiliate marketing. Guys, this is not going to work, okay? I see so many people just throw up their links or throw up this affiliate product or this Amazon link and expect to get sales. It's not going to happen because you need to basically pre-qualify people and then also convince people on buying that product. Now, you can't do that if you're throwing up, all these different sorts of niches. You're not specializing in any of them. And specialization and getting really niche specific is how you really get results because you separate yourself from the competition when you go specific on a single niche because you show people that, your brand or your videos or your content is focused on just a single thing. And it in turn makes you look like an expert. You don't have to be an actual expert, but you need to have the appearance of an expert if you want to convince people and consumers to buy from you so that they can trust you and trust your opinion. It also helps when you're giving someone genuine advice on, if this Apple MacBook is for them. Because the truth is, if someone were to just be browsing the internet and checking their emails and watching YouTube, you don't need a $2,500 laptop to do that. If you were to do real professional work and you really required some computing power, dedicated graphics card, and you needed something that you can take on the go and it would be reliable, it would be durable, then an Apple MacBook Pro is a great choice. But guys, I don't want to get into the PC versus Windows debate. And just to show you guys, I also have a PC myself. This is a Predator laptop. So I'm on both sides. I don't want to turn this into a PC versus Mac debate. I love both, but they're for different crowds and for different purposes. All right, so to sum things up, you really need to, 1, be niche specific, and 2, you really need to create a system that gets steady traffic and steady sales. And there's only 2 ways to get more money. It's either you get more sales from the traffic you already have, or you get more traffic, right? Now, it's a lot easier to just turn that conversion rate from a 1% to a 2% from some simple tweaks rather than having to get 100 new customers every single time you want to make a sale, right? I would rather take my conversion rate from 1% to 2% than have to get another 100 brand new customers in the door just to make another sale, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to hit the like button. It takes literally half a second. And comment below. I want to hear your thoughts, and I love responding to as many comments as possible. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoy videos like this and learning about passive income through affiliate marketing. Make sure you hit the notification bell too, or else you're not really subscribed. You're not going to be getting this fire content. So that basically wraps things up. And for anyone who wants to get mentored by me, and I get a lot of messages about mentorship, I have 2 programs that you guys can check out. out. Affiliate Evolution is my brand new 2019 affiliate marketing for beginners course, A through Z, showing you guys not only how my system works, but showing you how I create my affiliate marketing websites and businesses, sales funnels, my email templates. I give it all to you guys so you guys can use it for your business as well. And you guys can see the behind the scenes of how I actually do affiliate marketing, every single piece, every single part, the platforms I use, the products that I promote. So if you guys want to learn more about that, and actually one of the case studies is this right here, this Amazon Associates going from $0 to over $3,000 a month. And that's starting with less than $100 initial investment, okay? And so if you guys want to see that case study, it's in Affiliate Evolution. You guys can check that out. Now, for people who are more serious about affiliate marketing and making this not just a part-time living, but hopefully a full-time income someday, then you need to check out my 8-week mentorship program called Passive Income Lifestyle. This is a group coaching program where, it just comes with a lot of features. So you guys need to check it out in the description below if you want to learn more and see all the features that it comes with, which is basically you guys get a private community. You get 8 weeks of my best content. And I talk about not just affiliate marketing and everything, step by step. I also share my mindset, my daily routines to help me get there. Because mindset, at the end of the day, if you want to talk about how do you get the big results, it comes down to having a good mindset, okay? Now, in addition to that, you also get a live stream. And I've done weekly live streams, and you guys actually can access all of the previously recorded live streams where I actually analyze students' websites, their YouTube channels, their videos, their content, everything. And I give actionable feedback to how to improve conversion rates, pretty much just like that. So if you guys are interested in any of that, that's called Passive Income Lifestyle in the description below. Make sure to check it out. I also am running some limited time sales on my programs. And if you want to save some money, make sure you take action because it is a limited time offer. But that basically wraps it up for this video. And if you guys enjoyed it, again, a thumbs up really, really, really means the world to me. And I hope to catch you guys on the next video.